Ang sabi po sa 2 Corinthians chapter 3 verse 17, Now the Lord is the Spirit, and where the Spirit of the Lord is, there is liberty. Sinasabi dito ni Pablo na kung saan naroon ang Diyos ay merong kalayaan. We have this freedom. The Spirit of Where the Spirit of the Lord is, there is freedom. In this letter, pinapatunayan ni Paul na kapag tayo ay nasa presensya na ng Diyos, we are free. And when we worship Him in spirit and in truth, we are free. Because the Lord is Spirit. And what the Lord requires is those who worship Him in spirit and in truth. Kaya po mga kapatid, when we worship Him in our spirit, then we are free and indeed. Meron tayong kalayaan. Meron tayong kalayaan na purihin siya. Meron tayong kalayaan na lapitan siya, dumulog sa kanyang presensya because He is the Spirit. And where the Spirit of the Lord is, there is freedom. The word of the Lord for you today. God bless you.